Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So in today's video, I thought I would show you how I made my own DIY elf costume for Christmas. I started out with this green dress sweatshirt and I got that from wish.com for $11 including shipping a couple years back, so I already had this on hand. And then I took this white Sherpa fabric from Five Below for less than $6. And I used that to be my white fluff along the cuff, the bottom of the skirt, and around the hood. And I decided to cut it to about maybe 2 inches, just eyeballing it, and cut long strips. Then I took my hot glue gun with hot glue fabric and I just hot glue them on. I focused on only doing the outside parts for the cuffs and the bottom of the dress, and then I decided to wrap on along the inside of the hood as well so that you can't see the back side of this Sherpa blanket. I really like the way that this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.